Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In today's video, we'll look at how we can turn an Ubuntu Linux machine into a web server, and we'll be using Apache 2. We'll open the terminal and install Apache 2. So the command to install it, actually before we install it, let's go ahead and update the system packages. We'll do sudo apt update, put in our password. Okay, it's done. I clear this. Now we'll install Apache 2 using sudo apt install Apache 2. Y for yes. Okay, the installation is done. Now we'll need to check to make sure that the services are running. So let's use systemctl status Apache 2. And it's showing that it's active, running, and it's enabled. Once we verify that it's enabled, we should be able to open a browser and open the page. And since it's the local machine, we can use localhost. You can just type in localhost here, and there it is. This is the web page, the default web page for Apache 2. You can also use 127.0.0.1. Should give you the same page. Now that we have Apache 2 installed and enabled, so this page can also be accessed remotely from a different machine, like from a Windows machine, let's say. So let me open a browser on a Windows machine and try to access this page. I'll need the IP address here. So I'll do IP address. So the IP address is 172.16.1.100. So I'll need that IP. Okay, I have a browser here. Let me put that IP address 172.16.1.100, and I'm getting that page as well. So as you can see, we are able to access that page, and like I said, this is the default web page. Now to see where the files for this web page are located, what we can do, we can go to the directory. Let me clear this, and that's going to be under cd, should be under this directory. Let's and cd to html and list. So this is the HTML file that's serving that web page, and we can actually view the contents. We do cat index. So this is the HTML content, and if you wanted to customize this, you can, as long as you know what you're doing. Okay. Now what we can do with a web page is we can serve files that can be downloaded. We can put a file in this directory, and the file can be downloaded by someone. Let's go ahead and create a file in here, and then we'll go ahead and see if that file can be accessed. So let me open this, and if I do, I'm gonna need to put a / and add my test file here. And there you have it. We're able to see the contents of that file. We can also get the same contents on a Linux machine, but we can use the terminal and use the wget command. Let me open a Linux machine. Okay, I'm on another Ubuntu machine with a different IP, with the IP address. This one has an IP address of 172.16.1.104. And let's see if we can pull that file. Let me clear. And the command is wget http:// then the IP 172.16.1.100 for the other Ubuntu machine, and then the file is my test file. And as you can see, connected to that IP on port 80 and sent an HTTP request. and it was able to pull the file. I can do ls. The file is right here. I can do add my test file, and there it is. So that's all for this video. That's how we can turn an Ubuntu Linux machine into a web server. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.